Many traders spend their time trying to catch the middle of a market move, hoping to ride a trend that is already well underway. But the highest value opportunities actually exist at the exact turning points, the moments where a trend exhausts itself and reverses direction. To consistently find these turning points, we are going to build a high-probability reversal trade setup from scratch. We will cover exactly how to draw your trading zones, what specific signals to wait for, and how to execute the trade with minimal risk. Before you apply these steps to live capital, you need to use a paper trading or demo account. Testing the strategy with simulated funds gives you the reps needed to spot these patterns in real time without the financial stress. This graph illustrates exactly why we target these reversals. By entering at the exact peak of the turning point, your exposure to risk is incredibly tight, leaving massive room on the downside for potential reward. Step 1 is mapping your boundaries. Open a higher timeframe chart, typically the 15-minute or 1-hour view. We need this macro perspective to figure out who is currently in control of the market. Take a look at this chart. We identify the overall trend by tracking the structure of swings. Because price forms higher highs and higher lows, we know buyers dictate momentum. Now look at these 3 consecutive candles. Notice the empty space between the first and third wick. This is a fair value gap, an area of intense imbalance where buyers overwhelmed sellers, jumping without a proper pullback. We mark the candlestick that created this gap and draw a zone box entirely around it, dragging it right. This is our key supply or demand zone. This higher timeframe zone is your map. It dictates the strict mathematical boundary where a valid reversal trade is allowed to happen. If the price is outside this box, you do nothing. Now for step 2. Once your zone is drawn, switch your chart to a lower timeframe, at least 2 times smaller than your macro view. If you mapped on the 1-hour chart, drop down to the 5-minute. Watch the price action on this chart as it creeps downward. The absolute rule of this strategy is that you cannot take action until the price physically touches the blue zone we just established on the higher timeframe. It is tempting to anticipate the market and enter a trade before the price reaches your zone, assuming it will eventually get there. The market routinely punishes early traders by sweeping them out before moving in the predicted direction. Disciplined patience at this exact boundary is your primary defense. You are letting the market come to your designated coordinates, completely removing the urge to chase price action. Step 3 is confirming the reversal. Once the price enters your zone, we need a specific pattern called a change of character. This tells us the lower time frame is finally shifting to align with our macro boundary. A valid change of character requires 2 things. First, the price must sweep liquidity by breaking past a recent high or low to trap early traders. Second, it must immediately break back through a protected structure level with clear, undeniable momentum. You have to watch out for fake signals. Often, the market will briefly dip below a structure level, simply to grab liquidity or fill a tiny gap, and then it immediately continues the old trend. This side-by-side comparison shows the difference. On the left, the weak bounce creates a false signal. Price dips and immediately retreats. On the right, the solid candlestick decisively breaks structure, giving a valid momentum shift. Notice on the right, a new red box forms against the recent upward price action. This is an inversion fair value gap. When a gap forms in the opposite direction right at your supply level, it acts as a secondary, highly reliable confirmation signal. By verifying these specific momentum shifts inside your designated zone, you transition from blind guessing to executing a high-probability mathematical setup. Now for step 4, execution. With the reversal confirmed, you place your limit entry order at the very beginning of the confirmed zone. This chart shows exactly how to structure your risk. The red stop-loss section is placed just on the outside edge of the zone. If the setup fails, your capital is protected and you exit the trade cleanly. Set your initial profit target by using a strict 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio, aligning the target with the next key structural level on the chart. Once that initial target is hit, use a trailing profit technique to stretch gains without increasing exposure. Watch the bottom line of the stop-loss. As price pushes higher, you manually drag your stop-loss up, locking it behind each newly formed swing low. Trailing your stop-loss guarantees that you capture profit along the way, while giving the trade enough room to run if the overarching trend continues for a massive move. You now have a complete mechanical system. Map the higher time frame, wait patiently at the boundary, confirm the momentum shift, and execute with a tight stop loss. But remember, there is no strategy on earth that delivers a 100% win rate. You will experience losses. Surviving those losses comes down entirely to how you manage your risk. As you see here, the absolute ceiling for professional risk is 1 to 3%. You should never risk more than 3% of your total account capital on any single trade, no matter how perfect the setup looks. Your next step is to open your charts and find 3 historical setups that perfectly match these rules. Paper trade them to build your visual memory before you ever touch the buy button with real money. Focus on executing the process flawlessly and managing your risk. Chasing mathematically sound, consistent returns is the only way to survive and thrive in the market long term.